phantom. Your phone keeps having a tantrum. Emo boy got the party. This song your national anthem. Fuck gold, I'm platinum. My bro sipping on magnums. Got girls flocking all over cause I'm young, lit and I'm handsome. If you talk shit then I bang them. You're banned out to the mansion. You've never got no motion, lads. You've never got no action. Bitch, I'm all about me passion. Music, money and fashion.
Okay, yeah, we're here at Strad.
Well, we're at Strad.
You inform them, I don't know anything.
The Hamilton Collection is revealing their Yes Go here at Strad, so there's supposed to be a meet here.
Hamilton,
so.
Lewis.
So Hamilton Lewis? Yeah, something like that. And a 600.
This is all three of the cars.
Is this your first CR1 you've ever seen in person?
Yeah.
There's so many people taking pictures.
I bet I got a reason why too. But your ass doesn't wake up for anything.
That wasn't my fault.
Yes, it is.
I set 6 alarms. I had my ringtone on.
Go to bed earlier, bro.
It's not that easy.
It is that easy, actually.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
So you could fall asleep at 3 a.m. or 3 p.m. right now.
If you try hard enough,
No.
get some blackout curtains, bro. Dead ass. You have other options.
You can't make yourself tired.
Yes, you can.
How?
You literally close your eyes and lay down.
No, I can't.
Oh, back to the whole falling asleep thing. I go to sleep at like 3:30 every fucking day.
That's because you have to wake up at 1 a.m.
I have to wake up at 12. That's all right.
I like those wheels.
Yeah. That's actually a really cool spec.
Almost as much as I like you.
Did you see it has like blue wheels as well? Is that a...
What?
Where? The Camaro. Look at the paint and everything.
What about it?
That's supposed to be on a Trans Am. Why does it have a Firebird whole paint job on
So
it?
that guy, he converts Camaros to Firebirds just to be different.
Why is that like legit?
That's the whole thing. That's the whole idea.
I want to go see it. I don't know how I feel about it. Like, genuinely. It was a Camaro. I don't know why it has a... I don't think I like it too much.
It's not the best looking thing in the world, but it's fun.
It's a cool idea.
You want to see intelligent engineering? Look at the front of most Hellcats.
Not even a Hellcat.
Challenger, excuse me.
Sorry.
A Hellcat can be a challenge.
Get a load of this guy. No, hey, it's you. Keep that attitude up.
How do you know if it's a V10 or V12?
It says it.
Nah, you gotta use that X-ray vision.
No,
bro.
it's a V8 or a V10 on these.
Are you heading out?
Yeah. That's my car.
Yeah. You could do something like this.
It's a white. It's kind of cool.
And if you decided you want to keep your car after everything, you know.
Well, I mean, I could like do this before I get like the supercar.
There's the newer Mustang.
It's not electric though. So it's not that good.
Sometimes I just hate the things that you say.
What's this?
Lotus. It's the new one that they did not too long ago. I
don't like those vents.
I actually really like the car. I like everything about it. It looks like a Ferrari. I can see it.
It looks like a Lotus.
It has a supercharged V6 in it.
Why do they only do like lower end?
Spencer,
What do you mean?
would you like to explain to the viewers what a supercharge is?
Wait, so the ZR1s and stuff make that noise?
Yeah, it can.
Okay. No.
Like, bro. This is the car we're going to be walking up to one day. So nasty.
Give it a year. This will be his car. Give it a year. That's all it takes. And then that one. Or you probably can't hear me.
I got you. A year for this one, and a year for that one. Both of them.
That's gonna be mine. Just give me like a year and a half.
2 years maybe.
Yeah, eventually. I guess
And then you know the Ferrari.
That's a badass art.
The jet bike is here. That's what that sound was.
What is it?
A jet turbine bike. Or a jet bike. Come here.
It goes on time. It goes on time. So you can go full throttle or idle for 45 minutes. That's it.
Wait, so you rode in here on the streets? You ride us on the streets?
Kind of insane.
That's insane.
I don't know. It's a great question. Future Spencer here. This McLaren in frame here actually crashed later this night. And yeah, I thought that'd just be a funny little thing to add in.
Yeah, the Yesco's. I know the Yesco's right there somewhere.
There it is.
Yesco next to it.
You gotta be first in history, right? That's nice. That's nice. No, you're all good, bro. I'm trying to block you out. Just another one. A light coding check. Eat it. Film, bro. It's a Hennessy. Cookies here, bro.
I love this color. I love the way that this color shows up on camera.
It's white, but it's reflective. That's why.
Yeah.
I kind of thought they were going to bring more with them.
Me too. Low-key, I agree though. It's a little disappointing. I bet you we get the entire thing.
There's an SVJ
like
over there.
SVJ? Oh, there is. Should we go see it?
Yeah.
I parked right there. I'm walking across the street. I see Regera, Stradman, the Batmobile, all pulling. I'm crossing the street.
Oh my god, a fucking Diablo. What do you mean,
swear.
Dude, the fucking, this
The
thing's
blue,
crazy.
The blue is insane on this.
Fuck yeah.
Where's the Batmobile?
It's right there.
Yeah, but I ain't close.
You don't listen.
Not listen.
Just go, just hit it right.
I said Batmobile that way.
When I saw the Batmobile, I'm like, holy fuck, those other giants.
Yeah.
What is it?
I don't know.
This?
No, the Batmobile.
Batmobile.
Like what car?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like it's its own thing.
Yeah, that blue is crazy. But what is it? A KTM?
KTM crossbow. It's barely straight.
Which one? Just right in front of it.
It's built for the track. Like it's almost.
How is it shooting?
Barely. I don't know how it is. It's.
God knows how it passes admissions.
Did you see the exhaust in the back?
We should go look at that.
Like, yeah, I saw the big ass wheels going past me on that. Thing's fucking insane.
Stick that shit in fucking light round.
Alright. You know what it is. The annual, every video,
At
me
this
and Aiden are
point.
together. In and out, run. Nate's probably running wherever we went.
He'll find us.
Yeah. But Strads was alright. It was too crowded. And we just left and we're hungry, so yeah.
Saw some cool cars.
Yeah.
We don't know anyone, so there's not really much to do after you see the car. So it's just like,
Yeah.
go check out the car.
Casually some hypercars. $2 million in cars. Some light.
Yep. Saw the ZR1 first time,
Yeah.
so that's pretty sick.
Saw the ZR1 with the 600 right next to it.
Oh yeah, and a 812. So
And an 812. Those bikes are going crazy over there. I doubt you can hear it on camera, but yeah, that's about all we got. So